Hey guys, so I thought I'd give you a bit of an update on the RX-7. This is where it's going to be parked off. So my parents have been nice enough to let me park the car here. My father's also been building a bit of a cover for the car, which is freaking awesome. This was supposed to have been done 20 years ago, so it's getting done now, which is cool. RX-7's going to live in here. Still a bit of a mess, it's work in progress, so this is getting covered up. Some sort of a gate going there, and then I'm not sure about the front here. I think that's getting a cover. My dad's been hounding me. He says I must put his cars on YouTube, and I've got a JDM channel, so I figured I kind of incorporate it with the video since I'm here at the moment. So in these garages, in this one there's a Chev as far as I know, my mother's car, and then in here he's going to show me the two that he's got. Okay guys, so this is my father's cars, or at least two of them. This is what he's been dying for me to put on YouTube. I know this may not interest most of you guys. This is a 1928 Model A Ford Sports Coupe, and next to it is a 1919 Dodge Brother. So both these cars I don't have much interest in. Obviously this channel is JDM. I don't know if you guys are going to have any interest, but this is it. It's a work in progress. Is this car running?
Yes.
And what's so special about this car?
One of the most popular Fords made. The series A, the Model A's, they were very, very popular.
So why did you buy this car?
Because I like the shape.
Okay, so on the interior side of things, this is quite basic. Obviously it's almost 100 years old. Now some of you guys may not know, but hopefully you can see, the pedals are the wrong way around. So this is your brake pedal, that's your clutch, and in the center is your accelerator. Not like our cars, or any car of today. Here's your gear shifter, and then your cluster pack, if you call it that. And that's the horn. Okay, this one is the 1919 Dodge Brother. Now this one is really almost 100 years old. In 2 and a bit years, it will be 100 years old. You can see it's a Dodge Brother. Similar layout to the other car. So the one that I just showed you, the 1928, that is 6 volt. This is a 12 volt. So I don't know if you guys heard that, but my father says it's got a starter and a generator in one. There's an old school jerry can. So apologies for the messy garage. You can see where I get it from. This is a Harley Davidson motorbike. It's an anniversary edition. I think it's a 2003. It's 100-year anniversary edition. I don't particularly do motorbikes. Anyway, this is it. Here's the bike and the car together. So he collects things that are old and mostly broken. The motorbike does work,
Not old woman.
but he says he doesn't collect old women. Okay guys, I managed to get the keys for this guy. This is a 1938 Chevrolet Master Deluxe. I have no idea about anything on this car. It's still being built. You can see it's nowhere near as complete as the other two. Okay, I was closing up there, guys, but my father's insisted that I show you this thing. It's an LML Sensation scooter.
Made in India.
It's made in India.
Under license from Vespa.
Apparently it's under license from Vespa in India. So it pretty much looks like a Vespa, just shittier version. And he wants me to show you this as well. This is a Java Twin Sport motorbike. This is a Czechoslovakian motorbike. As far as, here we go, it actually says from Czechoslovakia, built in 1994. How many cc's is this? 350 cc. So if you guys are interested in any of these cars, there's a couple of others. What would be of interest to the guys? I know you got an Alpha.
Two Alpha Spiders, 1972 and 1982.
Yeah.
A Chevrolet National Open Tourer.
Okay.
1945 Jaguar Mark IV 1.5 liter.
Okay.
1969 MGB GT. Coupe.
Yeah. Triumph Spitfire?
Triumph Spitfire 1969.
You've got two of those, don't you? One.
And Mini Leyland.
Yeah.
1982. 1982.
Okay. Guys, so if you're keen on seeing any of these other old cars, let me know in the comment section. And I know it's not exactly JDM, but my dad's busy shouting in the background. There's some others that we didn't mention. If you guys are interested, let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to be going home. I'll tell you guys about the RX-7 update and we'll go from there.